This bundle is a strong starter set because it includes the Nintendo Switch console, colorful Joy-Con controllers, and everything you need to jump into Mario Kart right away. The system's ability to switch seamlessly between television, tabletop, and handheld modes makes it easy to enjoy full console games at home or on the go. Mario Kart 8 Deluxe adds a huge amount of replay value with dozens of imaginative tracks, a deep character roster, and flexible racing and battle modes for different skill levels. Local multiplayer is especially fun since you can share Joy-Con controllers out of the box and expand to 4 players with additional controllers when you want bigger races. The included Nintendo Switch Online membership greatly expands what you can do, from racing up to 12 players worldwide to exploring a large catalog of classic Nintendo games. Beyond Mario Kart, the system serves as a gateway to a wide library of standout titles featuring Mario, Zelda, Animal Crossing, Splatoon, and many more series.